As we as an organization embrace the remote work strategy, being able to collaborate as a company, as a team, is unparalleled importance. We have transitioned from Microsoft Skype to Microsoft Teams. We're primarily collaborating today in private chats, which is really providing collaboration to only people that are invited to chats. The chats are not really publicly viewable or joinable unless someone's inviting you. And it only represents a small percentage of the functionality in Microsoft Teams. So as a tool, Microsoft Teams has tons of features that not only create inclusive collaboration, but we can share files, past conversations, meetings, wikis, and many other features. So today I just wanted to kind of walk through and explain what our strategy going forward is for Microsoft Teams. So with that being said, and if we're looking at my screen, over here in the corner, we have our chat. So these are your private chats between you and individuals or small teams and stuff like that, meetings and whatnot. But really, the key piece is actually coming over here into the Teams organizations. So one of the first things we want to do and roll out as an organization is basically going to be a Flycast Hub. Now, this is just a test mock-up that we have out here. Once we create this, it's going to be an organizational-wide team, which means that anyone that's basically invited or has a Teams license will have access to see this. So there's a couple key pieces to this. So within a team, you see up here in the corner, you have basically your posts, files, and these are applications and add-ons that you have to your team. So we can share files like our corporate handbooks and pieces like that up in a central place that everyone can find it. Outside of this, we have each of these channels. And in these channels, we're gonna have different conversations going on. In general, it's typically a place where really you can have any conversation you want. Think of this like a water cooler. So in a water cooler environment, you could be talking about corporate stuff going on, stuff you're seeing going on in the industry, talk about the ribs you made last weekend, or your hobbies or whatever. This is really just a place for everyone in the entire company to chat and have conversations. Of course, we'd like to keep all this stuff to be, it is company, is viewable for everyone. So just keep that in mind, that everything's appropriate that you're putting out here, but it's good to basically have a good conversation. Imagine you're just standing around and chatting. Next is announcements. This is a moderated channel. And what that basically means is, in moderation, is only certain people will be able to actually create posts out here, but everyone can reply and react to the posts that happen here. So the intention would be to have birthday announcements, anniversaries, company, corporate announcements that can be shared. And once they're shared, everyone can react and respond and talk about it inside of here. Some of the other things that I've seen in my travels throughout the world is there are channels where you can ask for help. So the two we're starting with is just asking HR. So Ask HR is really just a place for, we want anyone that's a new employee or an existing employee that might not know who to talk to from an HR perspective to be able to ask questions. You have a question about your benefits or something's going on with your pay that you need to ask about. You can come out here and have a conversation in this channel or ask to be direct messages to someone, but everyone in HR should be monitoring this channel for something, so you'll be able to collaborate and get quick answers to your questions. Same thing for IT. So if you have IT related questions about internal hardware, software, licensing, or anything like that, you have the ability to come out here and ask questions, and our IT support will be able to assist and ask questions. And the cool things about these is if someone asks a benefit question, you have the same question, and someone enters out here, you're able to see it. And the same thing with the IT. So this is really a public space for everyone in the entire company to collaborate, chat, and learn from.